Hey guys, what's up? This is Lou from YA Strength, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what a star is within the Fastic app. And I'm also going to talk about how you get them, why you get them, and what you could do with them within the Fastic app. So keep on watching and stay tuned. Don't forget to show love, subscribe, and help me grow. Let's get started. Okay, so for those of you who've seen my Fastic app video, or if you subscribe to my channel, you probably already know that I enjoy using the Fastic app to track my fasting on the daily. And if you didn't know that, first, now you do. And second, in case you're looking for a more in-depth review of the Fastic app and its features, click the link above and save it to watch later. And I also post a link in the description box below, because in this video, I'm going to focus specifically on what the star is within the Fastic app. Okay, so what is a star within the Fastic app? Each and every time you fast for more than 12 hours, the Fastic app will reward you with a star. And that's because around the time when you reach the 12-hour mark of your fast, it says in the Fastic app that this is around the time that your fat metabolisms really get going. So let's check out an educational section of the app to see why. And you can see here that there's something called ketones that are produced in the liver as a byproduct of fat burning. This process can begin anywhere from 12 to 16 hours after your last meal, and it increases in intensity depending on how long you actually fast. Okay, so long story short, that's what a star is within the Fasting app, and that's how you get them. You get one each time you fast for more than 12 hours. And I forgot to mention, get this, you'll actually earn an additional star per additional hour of fasting after your 12-hour mark, or after you reach your 12-hour mark. Okay, so what does that really mean? By example, let's say you're fasting for 16 hours. Within the Fastic app, you'll actually be rewarded with 4 additional stars that day, because 4 additional hours after 12 brings you to 16. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And if you kept going to 17 hours or 18 hours, then you're on 5 stars and 6 stars, and it'll keep going up until you stop fasting. But of course, it's recommended to not overdo it. You can start off with a simple 12-hour fast, or do the average 16-hour fast. That is the most common approach that people do anyway. Okay, so when it comes to the Fastic app, we now know what a star is, why we get them, and also how we get them. So what do we actually do with these stars that we accumulate, or that we are rewarded with within the Fastic app? So let's open the app again and take a look. And here it is. So as you can see here, with your accumulated stars, you can use them to get Frosties, or purchase Frosties, or swap them out for Frosties. And you can swap them out at different quantities depending on how many stars you have. And depending on how many stars you have, you can purchase more or less Frosties with one big purchase. Now, please note, there is also a more traditional way that you will regularly earn Frosties throughout your fasting journey as you use the Fastic app. But because this video is specifically about the Fastic star, I'm trying to keep the star as the focal point, if you get my drift. But in case you were wondering what a Frosty is within the Fastic app, a Frosty enables you to sit out and skip fasting for one day. So let's say one day you simply do not feel like fasting, or let's say it's a day that you know you're going to eat a lot. By example, let's say it's Thanksgiving and you know that it's a big day that you're going to eat, and you simply know you will not stick to your fast. Then you can use a Frosty to sit out on fasting for that day, by example. And you can sit out without impacting any of the rewards or streaks that you're on within the app as you fast. And there you have it. Now you know what a star is within the Fastic app. And you also know when, why, and how you get those stars, along with what you can do with those stars within the Fastic app. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts. As always, this is Lou from YA Strength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.